The Roborock 7.5 robot vacuum and mop is an advanced cleaning device from the Roborock store designed for efficient, hands-free home maintenance. This upgraded model offers up to 7 minutes 9 weeks of self-emptying capability and powerful 10,000 PA suction, making it ideal for tackling pet hair and dirt on various surfaces. Its sleek black design complements modern interiors while delivering robust performance. Equipped with a 2.7-liter sealed dust bag, the RockDock Plus collects debris without frequent emptying. The dual anti-tangle system featuring jaw scrapers and a hair-resistant side brush minimizes brush maintenance. It combines vacuuming and mopping with adjustable water flow to capture fine dust effectively. The PreciSense litter navigation maps your home precisely, optimizing cleaning paths. Control is seamless via the Roborock app, allowing scheduling, spot cleaning, no-go zones, and real-time monitoring through 2.4 Wi-Fi. This robot is perfect for pet owners and busy households seeking thorough cleaning with minimal intervention. Its long-lasting dust bag and smart features reduce upkeep, saving time and effort. The Roborock 7.5 offers a reliable, intelligent solution for maintaining a spotless home.